doing Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be unboxing a fairly beat up Allure Beauty Box. Let's see what's inside. Hopefully nothing's broken. Okay. Within is this lovely brochure from Allure. Love it. Gorgeous. And I think the title is called Fast Friends. And dive in and see what's in here. I don't have my reading glasses with me, so please bear with me as I try to stumble through this as best I can. Ooh, this got crushed a bit. This is from Mighty Patch. Oh my goodness, look at that. And this is their micro point for dark spots. So I think these are the ones that you peel and you put on a dark spot, and it hopefully lightens it. Blemishes like to leave their mark, brighten up ASAP with micro point for dark spots. This post-blemish patch that visibly fades signs of dark spots with seriously powerful brighteners. I wonder how much that costs. Let's see, shall we? How much does it cost? Let's see. The retail price for this is $12.99 for 6 patches. Not bad. This looks interesting. It says Mani Me stick-on gels. This has to be a nail product. And it is. Mani Me standard size stick-on gels in Mochi Ombre. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Retail price for this is $15 US. These are nail stickers. They're cute. Native Spa. Embrace yourself. Okay, what the heck is this, I wonder? Let's see. From Nativa Spa Starter Kit. Why, you'll love it. Each of these 4 rich body creams leaves skin feeling smooth, moisturized, and soft with glorious scents like vanilla or rose that will make you want to sniff your arm again and again and again. The retail price for this is $12 US for a set of 4 1-ounce tubes. Wow. So this is pretty. Ooh, did I drop something? Possibly. But I just wanted to show that here. I came across this little thing, and this is from the Roche Lip Car Wash AP. Some cleansers take more than they give, but not this one. The fragrance-free milky gel removes all traces of makeup, leaving skin softer than it was pre-wash. So this is a cleanser. All right. The retail price for this is $14.99 for the full size, which is 13.52 ounces. So this is definitely a milky consistency, as you can see. I love cleansers. I love skincare, as you know. So I will definitely be doing a test run on that, and I will run a review on that. And I think I might get, 2 cleansings out of that. If it's potent, then maybe I'll get a few more, but hopefully like a week's worth, so I can give it a proper test run. What is the next thing on here? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is from our friends at Ofra. Familiar brand we've grown to know about on this channel. This is the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Canyon. Oh, okay, well, you'll love it. This velvety terracotta red is gorgeous and easy to wear in more ways than one. Really? It's got staying power that lasts through an order of fries without requiring touch-ups throughout the afternoon. Okay, I'm already gonna try this. And the color is everything. It's almost like a brick red color. And this is $20 US. I am probably going to try this tomorrow. I'll do a test run. I'll probably take a shot and put it on my my Instagram. If you follow me there at Makeup or Breakup Blogger on Instagram, I hope you do. Finally, last but certainly not least, looks like another skin product. I love it. This is Rebalance Daily Moisturizer for all skin types. This is from PCA Skin Rebalance Daily Moisturizer for all skin types. Love it. So after a day in the sun or on a hot morning, this extra light moisturizer is as refreshing as a cool iced latte, only better because it is fortified with soothing antioxidants, niacinamide, and vitamin E to cuddle and protect skin all summer long. The retail price for this is $53 US for 1.70 ounce. Yeah, wow. Well, you know, this is Rebalance, so if it's something light, cooling, I am there for it. I will start applying this week. Here is the lovely jar. It's sort of like a smoked jar. I'm not sure if this is plastic or not, and I don't want to chance it, but that's the container right there. Can you see that? Lovely. And I'll just open it. It has a seal, which is nice. And of course, the challenge is always to figure out how to open it. There we go. I don't really get a scent, but that's what it looks like. Pretty thick looking, almost pudding-like. I'm gonna take a little right here right now. And I'll just, oh, it does feel cooling. It really does. And that, my friends, is it for the July Allure Beauty Box. I have to say I am grateful that they included a little bit of makeup, a little lipstick. If you have fresh, beautiful, clean, moisturized, protected skin, along with a lip, you're pretty much set. That's a pretty great, fresh, simple, easy day look, especially for the summer. So I can't wait to try out the lipstick from Ofra. And it's supposed to be long staying, long power. So let's put it to the test. And again, the skincare options, love, love, love. Again, thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup unboxing with Allure Beauty Box. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching on my latest video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care, stay safe. Bye.